Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. I'm going to show you how we can turn our front porch into a simple, very cheap way of Halloween decorating that only I can do right now due to not being able to decorate. And this is what I came up with. I thought I'd show you a last minute idea on something maybe you can transform your porch lights into just something cute for Halloween. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I know it's probably cheesy, but what I did was took one of my tall kitchen trash bags and I just cut it up the back so it would slip over my lights that's hanging up there, and cut a hole at the top so it slip over it, and then I just tied it around the middle here with just a pipe cleaner, and with a permanent marker I just drew on a cute little ghost face. And so I have made very cheap, inexpensive, it's just your kitchen trash bags. And I'm going to do that with my two lights, as you can see, one over here and one over there. I haven't done it yet, but I'll show it to you in a little bit. Okay, here is the other one I made. It's not showing very well, but gave him some weird squiggly eyes and a squiggly mouth and tongue sticking out is what it's supposed to be, with a little tiny dot for the nose. See, there it is. And the light is shining through it, so it kind of has a ghostly glow about it. And the one over here has just got a kind of a lost, mournful look. I think it's kind of cute. Just something fun. Now, I know this is cheesy decorating, especially compared to what I do normally, but since the house is for sale and I can't have all the clutter and all of my Halloween decor is all packed away anyway, I mean, like even off the property, I can't pull out all my decor. So I just thought, we have Halloween coming in just a couple of days, and I am gonna just put out a couple of something fun for the kids to do for Halloween. It's not much, but you know what? The nice thing about it is it's inexpensive, that's for sure. You're not spending any real money on these cute little ghosts, Put any kind of face you want on them. You could get creative. Maybe if you wanted to, you could get pillowcases if you buy them from the thrift store and put them up there. They might look better. I should probably take the drawstrings out of them, but one's a boy and one's a girl. We can think of it that way. I don't know. Anyway, so they're not the only ones I did this way. Let me show you here. Look at there. Cute, isn't it? All right. Again, just a cute little, these are the smaller little garbage waste basket size. They're not as thick as the others, so they're a little bit thinner, but still, I think it kind of looks like a cute little ghost, and I just put a cute little face on it. Again, simple. Nothing hard about it. I just tied it with a chenille stem pipe cleaner. That's what I had around the house, is those. You could get as creative as you want, use other materials, but I thought, last minute idea, especially if you haven't had a chance to decorate and you don't want to go out and spend anything, just get your kitchen trash bags and put them over your lights. And see, these are solar lights. Okay, so I uncovered the solar so that it'll still get the light. Now these are, for some reason, are starting to wear out on me, but they'll glow for a little while when it gets dark. Isn't it cute though? So there's those. It has a hint of Halloween anyway. Well, out in the yard here, I've made another funny little face. Just a goofy little faces. They're not the easiest to draw on when they're hanging there. You could try drawing them before, but you want to make sure you can be able to line them up. So it made it easier to just put it on the trash bag on the place and then draw them. But then it didn't make it easier for drawing, just because then it was a lumpy, bumpy surface. So I guess just trying to figure out how to draw it and then put it up. If you can space it out so it'll work for you, that would be cute. Then I have another one right here. This one I kind of made it look pumpkinish or scarecrowish, just something different and cute, kind of cute. Probably more the scarier of any of them that I have done. And you know, you could probably put a face on each side of them, and I should probably put a face on this side because of the way that wants to hang. Might be kind of fun. Call it two-faced. So there you go. There's my Halloween decorations for this year. Far cry from what I normally do, but at least for the trick-or-treaters when they come, it will be somewhat cute, and these will light up. Now I'll try to get a couple of pictures of this in the dark, I think, as long as they light up here soon. And it's getting late enough. We'll see if I can get them. If not, well, sorry guys, it just depends on how they work. And so the front porch, you can see those are lit, and they look kind of cute. I guess they're ghost-esque. I know, cheesy little things, but something cheap, inexpensive, something you can do with your kids. Just put the bags on there and let them draw the faces on them. I think they might have fun with it. It was simple, nothing hard. And I think it has a nice little small ghostly of effect. But when you're trying to sell your house and you got to keep everything non-cluttered, then this is the only thing you can do at the moment. So let's see if we can wait and see if it gets dark and how they show it the night. Okay, I'm showing you how it looks in the dark, and it doesn't do it justice in the dark, but it does have a glow. I waited till it got a little too dark, unfortunately, but my other two are not lit up. I wonder what happened to those. But you can see my ghostlies on the front porch. They are kind of cute. Again, they just kind of white lights. But there they are. There it is. The one ghost. And the second ghost. Just silly little faces. Lots of fun. But I'm really disappointed. These two lights aren't working anymore. The last one down there is glowing just a little bit. But you can't make it out much. That's a bummer. In real life you can see it fine, but in the video here, not really. But, oh well. Thought I'd show it to you. So we'll come back over here and just show it up close. So anyway, I know it's just a cheesy looking little ghost that I put up here. And for me right now, this is all I can do. So I hope that this was just maybe something fun you can do with your kids, your grandkids. Something simple, last minute. Hey, let's make it. And you guys maybe take some more time and do some better material things that will work even better. And just work on making it look even nicer. And I think it could be lots of fun. I think it has a cute look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you've enjoyed this, even though it's not much of anything come decorating. Definitely not. If y'all watch me at all, you'll know this is not my standard, but I thought, well, it's better than nothing to show you. It's the only thing I could think of on decorating. But I really am bummed. This is just too dark. You can't even see it here. It's just too dark. And I don't know what happened to my light here. It doesn't light up. That's really a bummer. So I guess I'll just show you those ghosts. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Y'all take care and God bless, and happy Halloween. Happy fun little happy haunts. Anyway, take care guys, and we'll talk soon. And when I can figure out something else to do. Take care now, and God bless. And happy decorating!